Outer Manipur Lok Sabha MP Alfred as author has termed Manipur Budget 2025-26 presented by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman as anti-people as it fails to address the needs of 60,000 people who have been displaced from their homes in the ongoing conflict. Speaking during general discussion of Manipur Budget 2025-26, MP Alfred asserted that budget did not prioritize the rebuilding needs of a state ravaged by one of the worst ethnic clashes in recent decades. He added that building India also includes building the northeastern state of Manipur. He also expressed displeasure over the delayed release of MGNREGA funds. He also underlined that the center hasn't done anything for improving the agrarian facilities of the state. Agriculture, horticulture are two big focus areas in our state. However, the center hasn't done anything to ram up opportunities in these two crucial segments.
Today, this budget that I speak of is anti-people in Manipur. Why? Because you talk of the 60,000 that have been displaced today. All of their homes ravaged, burnt, broken, damaged, they're all displaced. There is no reflection in the budget for those displaced. The damage I hear, which was done by separate entities, has crossed 20,000 crore. I do not see anything of that sort. The entire budget is not even worth that. Mr. Chairman, sir, maybe my state is a small state, but we are not a small people. We are also equal in every way to this nation. My rising to speak again and again, if it is not making sense to this august house, give me the privilege and opinion and the opportunity to relinquish my seat and not come back here again. Coming here and speaking again and again and not being heard and not being executed at ground level. Do you know how painful that is to go back home to an empty home, to people in the streets who don't have any place to go to? And today you bring in a budget that does not address a single part of those affected today. Shame. I wonder, I still hope on more from the leadership of my nation. The budget has to clearly say, this is a notification of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Hill Valley section separation is mandatory. There is no separation of that. How would we know which is going to hills, which is going to valley? Nobody would know anything. And for that reason, I would request the Honorable Finance Minister to put this off, bring in the actual budget and the demands for grants so that we can go into the discussion of what is going into the hills and into the valley and a little bit of the pain and hardships that the state is going through. I wish and I hope and I pray that this house together we can solve. Thank you, Mr. Chair, sir.